Assalamu alaikum. I welcome to all of you with a new PHP video tutorial. In this video, we will take a number from user and we will check that if this number is prime or not. This is a basic understanding of a prime number. If a number only has two factors, itself and 1, so this is a prime number. If any number which has more than two factors, for example 4 is also divisible by 2 and 4 is also divisible by 4, then this number is not a prime number. Now let's write PHP code to check if the user number is prime or not using PHP get variables. In this video we will use $_get PHP variables to check if the number is prime or not. This is the basic syntax of get variables. Let's first start this code by creating an HTML form. This form we will use to get a number from user. Here I have write a paragraph. Please enter a positive whole number. Next, let's create a form. The first input of the form is the number. Here user will type any positive whole number. The name of this input is number. The second input is the submit button, which will be used to submit the user number to the web server. This button will submit the number to the server to check if the number is prime or not. Next, let's write the PHP code here to calculate the user number if this number is prime or not. First, let's create an if condition, and inside this if condition we have to write the code to calculate the prime number. This is end of the if statement, and inside the parenthesis we have to write $_get, then number inside the square brackets, then AND operator, and second condition is this number is greater than 1, because prime number are start from 2 if user has entered any number, and this number should be greater than 1. If this condition is true, then code inside the curly brackets will be executed. Let's create a while loop. This is the initial counter variable of the while loop. This while loop will be executed again and again to find if the user number is prime or not. This while loop will be start from 2. Initial variable of the while loop is 2, and this while loop will be continue to execute as long as if ith number is less than user number. Initially the value of I is 2, and this while loop will find the prime number if the user number is prime or not. Then inside this while loop we have to write the code to calculate the prime number. Let's write another if condition. Inside these small brackets $_get and the number user number, then %, then $i, if the user number is divisible by the ith number and the remainder of this division is equal to 0. If user number is divisible by any number and the remainder is equal to 0, this percent sign is used for division. If the remainder is equal to 0, then we know that if any number divisible by another number and remainder is equal to 0, then this number is not a prime number. If this condition is true, then number is not prime. Let's create another variable is prime and set this value is true. This variable we will use later to check if the number is prime or not. This is I++. This is a loop counter variable which will be incremented by 1 after the each loop execution. If this condition is true, then this number is not a prime number. Let's set is prime variable value to false. False means this is not a prime number. And let's create another if condition outside the while loop. Outside this while loop, if the is prime is equal to true, if the value of is prime variable is equal to true, it means that the user number is a prime number. $_get, which is a number have been entered by the user. Let's display this number is a prime number. Else, if the value of is prime is false, then let's display that this number is not a prime number. Let's Ctrl S, save this code, and let's see the output of our code. This is all our code to check. Let's search the exact file directory of PHP file. This is our output. Let's type a number 2. This is promising. 2 is the prime number. Let's type another number. Let's 6. That's good. 6 is not a prime number. Let's type another number 29. That's correct. 29 is also a prime number.